Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see a very famous Rajasthani meat curry, which is Laal Maas. It is a fiery mutton curry prepared in a sauce of yogurt and hot spices such as red Mathania chilies. And friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more yummy recipes in future. And now, let's get started with the making of this delicious mutton curry, which can be enjoyed with roti or hot steamed rice. So I have taken here 800 grams of mutton, and now I'm going to do a basic marination by adding a small bowl of thick yogurt or dahi, say around 4 to 5 tablespoons of it. Next goes 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Then goes 1 teaspoon of salt or as per taste. Now mix this well so that all the mutton pieces are coated well with the marination. And I'm going to marinate this overnight for best results. The next step is to soak some red Mathania chilies. If you don't have or you don't want too much spiciness in your gravy, you can use Kashmiri dry red chilies. I have taken 10 dry red chilies here. Next, take a chutney jar and add all the soaked chilies. I'll add some water from the bowl where I had soaked the chilies. And now I will grind this into a smooth red paste. Let's check this once. And our spicy red paste is ready. Then you will need some sliced onions. I have thinly sliced 3 medium onions like this. Then here I have taken 2 tablespoons of onion ginger garlic paste. And then you will also need some whole spices like 1 bay leaf, 1 black cardamom, 4 green cardamoms, 2 small cinnamon sticks, and 4 cloves. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, heat a kadhai, and into it I'll be adding around 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and 1.5 teaspoon of Desi ghee or clarified butter. And when the ghee melts and the oil is hot, I will add all the whole spices. Stir them once. Next goes the sliced onions. And on medium to high flame, we'll fry the onions for about 2 minutes until the color slightly changes. Next goes 2 tablespoons of onion ginger garlic paste, and we need to saute this until the raw taste of onion ginger garlic goes away. So by now the onion slices and the onion ginger garlic paste has been fried well. And now time to add the marinated mutton. Now increase the flame to high, and on high flame we need to fry the mutton really well for at least 8 to 10 minutes so that the raw smell of the meat goes away. Keep on continuously stirring the mutton. So it's almost 10 minutes I have been frying the meat, and after 10 minutes reduce the flame to medium. And now time to add some spices like 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander or dhaniya powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin or Zeera powder, and ½ teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder for color. If you prefer extra spiciness, you can add a little bit of red chilli powder also. And now we will give this a good stir, and we will fry the mutton for another 2 to 3 minutes. By now the meat is well fried, coated with the spices. At this stage we will add the dry red chilli paste. Wow, what a lovely color. Now fry the red chili paste with the mutton for another 2 minutes on medium flame. This red chili paste will give an intense red color and fiery flavor to the meat, hence its name Laal Maas. Alright, the mutton has been fried for a long time with the spices and the red chili paste. I'll add now a little bit of water from the bowl where I kept the chili paste. Give a mix. And now we will cover and cook the mutton on low flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. It's almost 5 minutes. You can see this lovely red color. And now for faster cooking, I am going to pressure cook the mutton. So I will transfer this to a cooker. So the mutton has been transferred to a pressure cooker, and now we need to cook this on low to medium flame for until 4 to 5 whistles. So after 5 whistles, I have allowed the steam from the cooker to release on its own. And now I will check one piece. So you can see the meat is very soft and tender and is well cooked. And now again I will transfer the meat back to the kadhai. I'll check once the salt proportion. I had added 1 teaspoon of salt while marinating the mutton. Little bit of salt is required, adding now half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of freshly ground garam masala powder. I would suggest to use here freshly ground homemade garam masala powder, as this will give a distinctly nice flavor than the paketed ones. And now I will let the mutton simmer in the gravy for 2 to 3 minutes. In the meantime, I will burn one charcoal to give a smoky flavor to our Laal Maas. In olden times, the food was cooked on wood fire, which would give a nice smoky flavor. The same effect can be achieved by adding a burnt charcoal in a steel bowl. Now place the bowl in the middle of the kadhai. Next, add a teaspoon of ghee or oil, and then immediately cover this with a lid, and we will let this simmer for another 2 minutes on low flame. It's almost 2 minutes. Now remove the bowl from the gravy, and now you'll get a nice smoky flavor infused in the Laal Maas gravy. Finally, I will garnish with some chopped coriander leaves and few ginger strands to complete the dish. That's it. Our Laal Maas is now ready to be served hot. And friends, here goes our spicy and hot Laal Maas infused with smoky flavor in the serving bowl. Enjoy this delicious mutton curry with roti, paratha, or even with steamed rice or pulao. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious Laal Maas recipe very soon. Also do share your feedbacks, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.